For better English learning, turn on the subtitles in your native language.
This English conversation practice is good for beginner level. Listen and repeat.
Watch these dialogues and repeat all the questions and answers to improve your English.
If you haven't watched Class 1, click here to watch it first.
In Class 2, we will learn about the present tense.
I like mountains. You like the beach. He likes the forest. She likes flowers. They like rivers.
Do you like mountains?
Yes, I do.
Do they like mountains?
No, they don't.
Does he like the beach?
No, he doesn't.
Does she like flowers?
Yes, she does. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
What kind of movies does she like?
She likes scary movies.
What kind of movies does he like?
He likes dramatic movies.
What kind of food do you like?
I like Italian food.
What kind of food does she like?
She likes spicy food.
What kind of food does Tom like?
He likes all kinds of food. What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I like to eat bread and drink coffee.
What do you like to do on the weekends?
I like to play badminton and go swimming. How do you like your eggs?
I like them boiled.
How do they like to travel?
They like to travel by train.
Who does she like?
She likes Brad Pitt. Do you like Brad Pitt?
No.
Do you like Madonna?
Of course.
Do you like her?
Yes, I do.
Do you like them?
Yes, I do, but I don't like their dog.
Does she like you?
Yes, she does.
Do you want an apple?
Yes, I do.
Does she want some apples?
No, she doesn't.
Do you want a car?
Yes, we do. Can.
I can cook Thai food. You can swim. He can play tennis. She can write very beautifully. We can play the guitar.
I can't jump high. You cannot cook Italian food. He cannot play snooker. She can't drive. We cannot sing.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can they speak German?
No, they can't.
Can he play tennis?
Yes, he can.
She cook Italian food?
No, she can't.
Can John use a computer?
Yes, he can.
Can Susan drive?
No, she can't.
In the next video, we will teach you about the present tense, so please keep watching Animated English by Z.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please subscribe channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.